Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Be careful sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. You don't have to message me, no? So, yun, doon lang sa website. Or, pwede rin kayong mag-direkta na mag-book sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Ano yung blessings na parating sa mga Cancerians? Let's do it. Ano yung blessings? Okay, you have the Three of Wands, the Ace of Cups. This is about expansion. Merong new source of happiness. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong inspiration. This can be a new love or partner. Ayan. Or this can be creative na projects na inspired kang gawin. Kumbaga marami kang determination. Punong-puno ka ng determination. This can also be a travel opportunity for you, wherein mas maraming maibibigay to sa iyong abundance, no? Parang yung travel na to is you will be able to discover, can be a new opportunity na magbibigay sa iyo ng abundance. Some of you, this is a baby kasi expansion rin is expansion ng family. So, meron kasing Empress dito. So, yung mga gustong mabuntis dyan, merong pregnancy. Oh, you have the World card. Okay, so the World is about, takpan lang natin kasi baka masensor na naman. Ayan. The World is about completion. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron matatapos na project, very successful project. Tapos, after nun, mas marirecognize ka. Tapos, magsisimula na naman yung another project. So, magtutuloy-tuloy yan for you. So, very good, diba? Ang ganda ng energy na yan. Let's see. Yung iba sa inyo, traveling abroad or work abroad to. Ayan, this is going to bring you financial stability. Some of you, meron ditong mag-grant na visa, kung nag-a-apply kayo ng visa, or residency sa isang bansa. So, let's see, ano pa. And then also, pwede rin tong properties. So, you may be acquiring a new property, lupa, bahay, sasakyan. I also see business Pwede rin tong negosyo sa ibang bansa, like international trading. So, kung kayo rin is nagtitrade, yung sa forex, no? Or ang tawag dyan? Basta anything about money, trading, business, ganyan. That's also a blessing. Six of Pentacles, this is balance in your finances. Receiving, iba sa inyo, meron kayong gift na marireceive. So, yung gift kasi, subjective yan, no? Kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng gift sa'yo. Gift pwede kasi yung hinihiling mo, no? Na example, makapasa ka sa exam, approve yung visa mo, makuha mo yung deal na negotiate mo. So, things like that. Marami. Let's see what else. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. So, I think isa rin ditong blessing is yung pagpapatawad, no? So, meron kang patatawarin or ikaw yung patatawarin. Merong peace offering. Ayan. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. So, isa rin sa blessing ninyo is yung pagkakaroon ng ang tawag nito, instinct mo, mas malakas yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, at mas may clarity, no? Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, alam mo kung alin yung ipupurso mo. Kasi kung dati naguguluhan ka, so ngayon, hindi ka na maguguluhan, you know what you want. The past. So, maaring merong energies from the past na magbabalik or anything na mariresolve na nangyari sa past. That is also a blessing. Yeah, this is about emotions eh. So, maaring yun nga, may kapatawaran na mangyayari between family members or someone, can be a friend na eventually maaayos na yung naging problema nyo sa past. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.